Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Amazon Prime subscription. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to launch your Amazon mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page you will see this type of section where you just have to try to find Prime here. If you are not able to find Prime here, you need to tap on the menu option first of all, and here in your menu you will see the Prime option. So you need to tap on Prime and then you will be landed on this Prime subscription page. Over here it will show you based on your country the pricing for the subscriptions. Like in my country it is 799 per year, and for Prime it is 1500 approximately. So you need to select which plan do you want to purchase. After selecting that plan, you need to tap on the Join Prime option and then you need to select your Google Play Store just like so, or you can even pay with the help of Amazon Pay. So select any of the payment methods here and conclude your payment. Once this step is done, you will be able to get your Amazon Prime in the Amazon application. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.